Wait, saw an ad for a $700 Costco gift card just for a few clicks? Today we're breaking down producthouse.com. Is this offer legit or just another online scam? So producthouse.com promises a flashy reward, complete a few simple deals, surveys, or tasks, and unlock up to a $700 Costco gift card. The website uses Costco's logo and branding to look official and convincing, but that doesn't mean it's real. On the surface, it's a clean, powerful, professional design, big promise of a high-value card. The idea of getting a free Costco reward sounds great, and that's exactly why these kinds of offers spread on social media and ads. But here's the reality: no official Costco affiliation. There's nothing from Costco saying this is real. Independent reviews and site checks give producthouse.com a very low trust score and many red flags for scams. Users never receive the promised gift, and the site often redirects to third-party deals, and there's no proof anyone got the gift card. So real or fake? It's absolutely fake. This is a classic too good to be true online gift card scam that uses Costco's name and big dollar numbers to lure you in, but no genuine gift card is delivered, and you risk spam, data harvesting, and unwanted subscriptions. The bottom line: don't enter personal info on sites like this. Always verify promotions on the official retailer's site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.